Happy New Year! I hope that you started well, and I am getting busy of preparing new videos for you. And why now? Because January, it's usually the time when people have New Year's resolutions. And in these 2 weeks, I had so many discovery calls when women tell me, oh, I'm back on keto, or I'm doing the intermittent fasting, or I'm doing a fruit fast. No, 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 especially if you are bloated. And because I see all these mistakes, I'm making a video about a low carb, low histamine trigger, high in protein meals, examples of what I eat or what my clients are eating and the pictures that they share with me. And I will be in these videos mentioning the Oura Ring, the third generation. This is how you can measure whether you are having any food sensitivity, how are your hormones doing, and what you should be eating depending on which stage of the menstrual cycle you are in. I will be also talking about the glucose monitor. So in the following 2 weeks, I will be watching what food has impact on my insulin and my glucose. And lastly, yes, the Foodmarble. So this is what helps you to discover why you are bloated like a balloon. Maybe you have watched the video, you just blow into it, it's connected to the mobile phone, and you know exactly which food triggers you in case it's food. But if you watch the anti-bloat masterclass, you know that there are 8 different kinds of bloating. And unless you know which type you are, then these machines and everything that I'm telling you might not be of use. But anyway, I invite you to watch all the free videos that are actually on the new platform. Let me give you a sneak peek in. This is the platform. So this is a collection, all the products that I have. And because I don't want you to buy a pig in the poke, I want you to watch all the videos. So there is always a free preview option. So this is my dashboard. And in this case, I cannot show you, but what we can do together is when I copy this link, I will go to incognito window and I will place it in there. Therefore, my PC will not recognize it. And that's how you should see it. So you can see that you will need to sign in. That's obviously always the case. And then, for example, if you want to watch the detox your body and mind without paying the 19 euro because you cannot afford it or for whatever reason, you click on it and here you have the free preview. So you click on the free preview, you would have to put there your data, email address, and then you sign up. And when you sign up, now I can actually get out of this incognito window, then you will be able to see what I see because I signed up. So you will see that there are all the videos about thyroid, menstrual pain, everything. So pretty much all of them are for free. Only 3, the most important ones, are paid for 19 euro. And so on, it goes for every course. So if you click on hormone yoga therapy, which I absolutely recommend to any woman who wants to conceive or who is going through the perimenopause and menopause. So again, all these videos, so the introduction is obviously always for free. All these videos are for free. And some of these ones will be for free as well. And the most important ones obviously will be paid. So this is a paid course. And just to explain how it works, if you want to just watch the videos because you are already experienced, you pay 197 and you have no my support. But if you feel like you need my support, you want me to look at your blood tests, you want to exercise with me, you want me to watch how you do the breath work, then you purchase this one. And from the 23rd of January until 17th of February, I have a special offer that you don't join only once a week, but you can join 3 times a week, even for other courses. But for this, you need to contact me personally, like replying to this email saying, tell me more. That would be the keyword, tell me more. And I will know that you read this email or you watched this video. The same goes, for example, for Eat Clean, Get Lean. So again, if you, for example, suffer from bloating, you would maybe want to watch the free preview videos Why am I bloated like a balloon? Or if you have misfiring hormone, again, this is not the sex hormones, this is the hormones that make you hungry. So it's ghrelin, leptin, that is misfiring, glucose, insulin, and so on. So glucose is actually here, right? So glucose as the sugar having impact on the insulin, the fat maker. And this is not all. Maybe you want to lose weight. So you would go and you would see the signs of weight loss. And this is also with the intermittent fasting. So here you can already watch the video that tells you exactly what's in there. And every single time there is a free preview. But maybe you are wondering like, but I just want a meal plan. Maybe you are a meal plan person. Then go to meal plans and watch the videos. There is a free preview. And I mentioned there the golden trio. So you will have cooking inspiration. And for this, I'm actually today going to film new videos. So again, let me give you a sneak peek. So now I uploaded from my mobile phone pictures of the food that I eat. You can see the diet rice, like konjac noodles, how to combine things, how to make pancakes. If I click on, for example, okay, I will click here because it's the first one that I see. If it opens up, you will see what's in there. And I will say why the apple cider vinegar must be unpasteurized and unfiltered, why the dark tahini is good for you, why the sardines are high in protein, they have 28 grams of protein, and why you should add even some probiotic food or sprouted mungo, and how to sprout the mungo beans. And this is not all. I, for example, have also the folder with shopping. So especially for people who are lactose-free, gluten-free, I mean, what to buy to still enjoy the food and how to combine it together. And what's the third one that we have in here? You can see January meals. It's the FODMAP. Yeah. So FODMAP, if you don't know what that means, it means fructo-oligodisaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. And this is basically for people who suffer from bloating, farting, diarrhea, constipation. They have IBS. They don't know what is causing the bloating, and they have to first calm the belly before they implement any other strategies that I recommend, any other protocols. So this is going to be for them how to do it the first week. So if this is what you would want to see, then definitely check the link that you find below.